Thinking about buying an SUV in 2025? It's an exciting decision, but with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is truly worth your money. Here's what you need to know. Not all SUVs are created equal. Some are all about luxury, performance, and reliability, while others come with hidden issues that can drain your wallet and patience. In today's video, I'll be covering 4 exceptional SUVs that deserve your attention in 2025, as well as 3 you'll want to avoid at all costs. These vehicles may look appealing, but their problems could turn your dream ride into a nightmare. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of which SUVs to steer clear of and which ones will deliver on all their promises. Ready to make an informed choice? Let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with the best options for 2025. Mazda CX-50. The Mazda CX-50 is a compact SUV that stands out for its striking design, impressive performance, and premium features, all at an affordable price. The optional turbocharged engine adds a fun element to driving, delivering fast acceleration and plenty of power for a small SUV. Whether you're merging onto highways or navigating winding roads, the CX-50 feels quick and responsive. Inside, the SUV boasts a luxurious interior with high-quality materials like leather and aluminum accents, providing a premium feel without the premium price tag. The attention to detail is evident, with a well-designed cabin that rivals more expensive vehicles. For those who love weekend getaways or enjoy outdoor adventures, the CX-50 doesn't disappoint. It offers decent off-road capability with higher ground clearance and advanced traction systems that make it a great choice for light trail exploration. The CX-50 comes equipped with essential safety features such as emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring a secure and stress-free driving experience. With solid fuel efficiency ratings of 24 mpg city and 30 mpg highway, it's an ideal choice for anyone who wants a practical yet stylish SUV without compromising performance. Starting at $35,200, this SUV delivers great value. Kia Telluride. When it comes to family-friendly luxury, the Kia Telluride is a top contender in 2025. This 3-row SUV offers plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a perfect choice for families who need extra space. Unlike many other SUVs with cramped 3rd-row seats, the Telluride's 3rd row is spacious and comfortable enough for adults, making it ideal for longer trips or family outings. Its V6 engine delivers smooth and confident power while still maintaining an impressive towing capacity of up to 5,500 pounds, making it versatile for both everyday drives and heavier tasks. Inside, the Telluride's premium materials and high-end design set it apart from competitors in its class. The cabin feels luxurious, with plush seating and a layout that exudes quality and sophistication. On top of its interior appeal, the Telluride also comes with modern tech features like forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, and lane keeping assist to enhance safety. While its fuel economy is respectable, with the front-wheel drive model offering 20 mpg city and 26 mpg highway, it's the Telluride's combination of luxury, reliability, and practicality that truly makes it stand out. Starting at $39,500, it offers outstanding value for those looking for a family SUV that blends both performance and comfort. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a name synonymous with reliability and practicality, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. Known for its balanced combination of comfort, utility, and fuel efficiency, the RAV4 remains a top choice for many buyers. One of the standout features of the RAV4 is its spacious interior, which offers plenty of room for both passengers and cargo. Whether you're running errands or going on a family road trip, the RAV4 has enough room to fit everything you need without compromising on passenger comfort. The ride quality is another highlight, with the RAV4 providing a smooth and quiet driving experience. It excels in both city driving and highway cruising, making it a great vehicle for a variety of trips. Safety is a priority in the RAV4, as it comes with a comprehensive suite of driver assist features like emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. For even more peace of mind, buyers can opt for additional features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alerts. Fuel efficiency is where the RAV4 truly shines, with an EPA rating of 28 to 30 mpg combined, making it one of the best in its class in terms of fuel economy. Starting at $32,250, it's an affordable, reliable, and versatile option that fits well into any budget. Subaru Crosstrek. If you're looking for an SUV that's not only reliable, but also versatile, the Subaru Crosstrek should be at the top of your list for 2025. This compact SUV offers a standard all-wheel drive system, which comes included at no extra cost. This feature is perfect for anyone who lives in areas with inclement weather or enjoys going off the beaten path. The Crosstrek's off-road capability is one of its strongest points, thanks to its higher ground clearance and advanced traction systems, making it ideal for tackling rough terrain. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, with an EPA rating of 28 mpg city and 34 mpg highway, making it one of the most economical SUVs in its class. Inside, the Crosstrek offers a spacious and comfortable cabin that provides ample room for both passengers and cargo. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a road trip, the interior feels well-designed and comfortable for long journeys. Starting at just $26,540, the Crosstrek offers incredible value, making it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, affordable SUV with excellent off-road capability. Now, let's talk about the SUVs you should consider avoiding. Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona may seem like a compact and affordable option at first glance, but it comes with a series of issues that make it a risky choice. While it offers decent fuel economy, with 29 mpg city and 34 mpg highway, many owners have experienced frequent breakdowns and ongoing mechanical issues. The Kona has a shorter lifespan for parts and systems, which can lead to frustrating and costly repairs. In some cases, owners report having to resell their cars after dealing with these issues. Additionally, the ride quality of the Kona is often described as shaky and jerky, especially when driving over bumps or uneven terrain. This can make the vehicle uncomfortable for both the driver and passengers, particularly during longer trips. Another recurring issue with the Kona is the scarcity of spare parts. Many owners have reported long wait times for repairs due to back-ordered parts, which disrupts daily life and makes owning this SUV a frustrating experience. The poor interior lighting and difficulty seeing controls at night further add to the dissatisfaction. Given the ongoing problems and frustration associated with owning a Kona, you might want to consider alternatives that offer better reliability. Ford Explorer XLT. Despite its marketing as a versatile family SUV, the Ford Explorer XLT leaves much to be desired in real-world usage. One of the most common complaints from owners is frequent mechanical issues, often leading to long stays in the repair shop. The shortage of spare parts can leave owners stranded for weeks, making it a major inconvenience. For a vehicle that costs over $40,000, these ongoing issues are simply unacceptable. The interior quality is also disappointing, with cheap materials and third-row seats that are poorly padded and uncomfortable. This makes the Explorer XLT less suitable for long family trips, especially if you have taller passengers. In addition, the handling is stiff and uncomfortable, particularly when equipped with larger wheels. The hybrid version of the Explorer XLT has a clunky and inconsistent transmission, which adds to the frustration. With an EPA rating of just 24 mpg for rear-wheel drive and 23 mpg for all-wheel drive, the Explorer XLT doesn't offer much in terms of fuel economy either. For its price, you can find more reliable and comfortable options that outperform the Explorer XLT in almost every way. Volkswagen Tiguan. The Volkswagen Tiguan might look appealing with its sleek design and starting price of around $33,000, but it comes with several major issues that make it one of the worst options for 2025. One of the most significant problems is excessive oil consumption. Many Tiguan owners report having to top off the oil multiple times between oil changes, which Volkswagen considers normal. However, for buyers, this can be a huge hassle and an inconvenience. Additionally, the third-row seating is impractical for adults, with limited space making it uncomfortable and essentially unusable. The touchscreen interface is another issue, as many drivers find it unintuitive and distracting, which is a serious safety concern. Engine performance is another letdown, with many users complaining that it feels either sluggish or overly sensitive, leading to an unpredictable and frustrating driving experience. Even with an EPA rating of 26 mpg combined, the Tiguan fails to impress compared to other SUVs in its class. Given its reliability issues and poor performance, the Tiguan is definitely one to avoid. So there you have it. Whether you're looking for an affordable and reliable SUV like the Subaru Crosstrek or a luxurious family vehicle like the Kia Telluride, the 2025 SUV lineup offers something for everyone. However, the Hyundai Kona, Ford Explorer XLT, and Volkswagen Tiguan come with major drawbacks that make them less than ideal choices. Which SUV caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.